In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a document in Scanner Pro on iPhone. If you've got a scan you no longer need, I'll walk you through the exact taps to remove it cleanly and confidently, with a few pointers to help you avoid deleting the wrong file by mistake. First, open the Scanner Pro app on your iPhone. Give it a second to load your library. This is where all your scanned documents are organized and ready to manage. Once the app is open, make sure you're on the My Scans page. This is the main library screen where you'll see thumbnails or a list of your documents. If you happen to land inside a document or another screen, just use the back arrow until you're viewing My Scans. Think of this page as your home base for finding and organizing everything you've scanned. Now find and tap the document you want to delete. Take a moment to verify it's the right one by checking the title, date, or preview pages. Opening it before deleting is a good habit because it helps you confirm you're removing the correct document, especially if you have multiple scans with similar names. With the document open, look to the top right corner and tap the three dots icon. This is the More or Options menu. It reveals actions you can take on the document you're looking at, and it's the place you go when you want to share, rename, or in this case, delete. From the menu that appears, select Delete Document. This option applies to the entire document, not just a single page, so make sure you really mean to remove the whole scan. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Confirm by tapping Delete Document again. This extra confirmation is there to prevent accidents, so use this moment to double check one last time. If you realize you chose the wrong file, simply cancel and go back. If you confirm, the document will be removed from your library and you'll be returned to My Scans where you'll notice it no longer appears. That's the full process. Open Scanner Pro, go to My Scans, tap the document, open the three dots menu, choose Delete Document, and confirm. A quick tip, if you're unsure, pause before confirming and review the preview pages or the file name. It only takes a second and can save you from deleting something important. Thanks for watching. If this helped, repeat these steps anytime you need to tidy up your library and keep Scanner Pro organized.